afternoon, boys. Today we are going to learn two skills of football. You know, this is the most popular game throughout the globe. This is known as soccer also. This is known as soccer also. There are few skills today. We are going to learn few skills of football, two skills: passing and receiving the ball. In football, three things should be taken into account. It should be taken very seriously. Receive the ball, look the position of your team and pass. Receive, look, pass. Receive, look, pass. So two things, two skills we are going to learn today. One is push pass, how to pass the ball, and if the ball is passed, to receive it and again to pass. These two skills we will learn today, and day by day we will be learning new skills like dribbling, receiving the ball, long drive, shooting, penalty kick, spot kick, free kicks, etc. So today only two simple skills: receiving the ball and passing the ball. It may be one touch, it may be two touch, right? Come on, let's have. Now look towards it. I am passing the ball to Mr. Rahul. Pass, receive, receive, pass. Receive, pass. Receive, pass. It may be one touch. You see one touch. And while receiving the ball, absorb the shock. While receiving the ball, absorb the shock so that the ball doesn't deflect from your feet. I repeat, while receiving the ball, absorb the shock of the ball so that the ball remains in its own place. It doesn't deflect from your feet. See, Mr. Rahul, give me a ball. Yeah, this. Push कीजिए. So this is passing. And now one skill, very simple skill, push pass. Once your teammate is near at your hand, nearby, so you have to just push the ball so that your partner can get it. Mind it, while kicking the ball, while passing the ball, the non-kicking feet, if you are right footer, then the left feet, and if you are left footer, then the right feet, non-kicking feet play an important role. There should be the gap between the ball and the non-kicking feet is a very crucial to direct the ball. The direction of the ball, the dimension of the ball, the trajectory of the ball, the path the ball follows, it depends upon the difference, the gap between the ball and the non-kicking feet. My dear footballers, keep it in mind, while passing the ball or while kicking the ball, the non-kicking foot plays the equal role as the kicking foot. Clear? The position and the placement of non-kicking feet from the ball. If it is near the ball's direction will be changed. If it is apart from the ball, far apart, the direction will be something different. There should be. Now again, we are entering the passing session because this is the main skill of football, passing. Maybe it is a long pass, maybe it is a short pass, maybe it is the wall pass, maybe it is the one touch, maybe it is the two touch, maybe it is the pass from any part of your body except hand. So passing plays a crucial role, a very important role while playing football. Now again, I am going to the passing because this is the basic skill of football. Maybe it is a long pass, maybe it is a short pass, maybe it is a square pass, maybe it is the front pass, maybe it is the through pass. Through pass. Passing is the most important skill in football. So again, we are going into the skill, that is the passing, and right now it is the one touch. Now myself, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Rahul and Mr. Tariq Aziz, they will be giving pass to me and I will be playing one touch football, one touch pass. I will not receive the ball. In running ball I will be passing. Now let's see. Running up. आप पकड़िए, हम देंगे. आप पकड़ के दीजिए ना, हम देंगे. So this is, I am giving the pass to Mukesh Kumar Rahul. पकड़िए बॉल को, पास कीजिए. This is one touch, पकड़िए बॉल को, पास. One touch. So this is passing, and you will practice it in your home if you are having place. In the next class, we are going to learn some dribbling, body feinting, and long drive, how to take free kick, how to create wall pass with a partner. So these things we will be juggling, how to juggle the ball and how to hit the ball. So these things we will be learning day by day. Today after this is the most easy but the most crucial skill in football, passing. You have seen FIFA World Cup, you have seen Euro Cup, you have seen Copa America Cup, and you know how fast they pass and how fast the game football is today. In 2 or 3 passes, a player can set from this goal to that goal. So this is the importance of passing in football. There is no football without passing. There is no football without passing. Football is not at all a football without passing. This is the basic skill of football. If the passes are good, accurate, if the trapping of the ball, if the receiving of the ball is accurate, then you will be in advantageous position. All right? Thank you very much.